In this video I'm going to show you how to find save effects on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram, and once you are on Instagram make sure you are on home page. After that swipe out to open up your story camera, and now you can select any effect that you want, and after that tap on that effect's name and scroll down for a bit until you find Browse Effect Gallery. And on that gallery you can see their saved filter. You can tap on that, and now you see all the filters that you saved before. And to use some filter you need just tap on that and select Try It. Now that filter, that effect applied to your story camera, and you can continue creating your story as you normally do. So that's how it works. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.